In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stonk Journal. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.stonkjournal.com, and of course, you want to sign into your account. And the first thing you're going to see is your dashboard over here. Now, let's familiarize yourself with what actually can be done on here and how to actually do it. So, the first thing is up top, you can see basically your current settings. So this is for today, this is how it's standing for today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, etc. So you can do a lot of things, and of course you can go to a lot of different time periods or customize them yourself as well by dragging it like this, or just basically dragging this to the left, this to the right over here, and it's going to basically show you those time periods that you set up here, which is very convenient. Now, over here, you can also click reset. And when you click reset, it's basically going to show for the entire time span. Now, these numbers over here and these trades are for demo purposes only, as it says over here. And you can add your own trades by clicking the new trade button. So once you're on here, and if you would like to add in some new trades, what you can do is here, you want to click on new trade. And then here you want to select the market, either it's stock, option, crypto, futures, forex, or index. You want to add in a symbol. So for example, let's say when you do Bitcoin, you want to type in the target, you want to type in the stop loss in case you've had it, and then down here you can select the action, whether it's sell or buy. You can do date or time, quantity, you can do price, and then you also have the fees, okay? So this is just an example of how you would, for example, add this in here. So you can just click on either this plus button in case you have more, or click on save, and it's gonna get added in there, okay? So as you can see currently, showing this as an open position for myself because I've added this in here. Now, of course, you can then go ahead and delete this. So I'm going to delete this one over here. There we go. So just so we can see basically how it looks without that. And then you can keep on adding new trades in here, new buys, new sells, whatever you want to do. And via that, you'll be able to kind of build your journal over here. You can also switch from general to journal, and then you can add in different tags. You can put in different notes you have, the confidence, you can upload screenshots for proof, etc. If you'd like to ever view that again. I'm going to just not save this right now. And then what you can also do over here, you can always track the wins, the losses, the open positions, the wash, average wins, average losses, and then the P&L. Over here, it's going to show the P&L chart as well. So if I just go ahead and click on this over here, you can also filter by different tags, markets, directions, symbols, and statuses, which is pretty understandable. And then here on the left, you can also create a new setup if you want to have a new trade setup, or you can just add a new note to your journal by clicking over here. You can select the different moods, basically the market conditions, volatility, the dates, summary, and then the note itself. You can just save that to your notes. And then over here, you can always view your stats. So everything regarding your stats is available in here. You can see your calendar, the settings of your account, such as the account settings, tag management, personal info, password, and security. And then over here, you can also get help in case you need it. As you can see, they have this kind of chat support system you can talk with, and they will help you out in case you're having any issues with the platform. Now, up here, what you can also see are notifications, and of course you can open up this window yet again as well to see the notifications, and you can read them or mark them all as read. And then up here, what you can also do is click on that. You can export your data to a CSV file, or you can just log out of your account or basically switch to a different account. Now, here you can also see your accounts. This is the default one. If you have multiple, you'll be able to see it over here. You can click on this customize. You can rename it, you can go ahead and add a new one, you can delete it, you can set different types, if it's primary account or not, the account balance, etc. So everything can be customized, but do not forget to actually save everything before you exit. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how to use the Stonk Journal. That's how much there's to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.